Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Trucker's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing a chicken quesadilla. It'll be really simple, and I'm going to teach you some of the basics to get you something that's better than truck stop fast food. All right. Pick up some wraps. These are gluten-free wraps because you guys know I have to be gluten-free. And then also you can get some pre-cooked chicken. So this is really simple, and this bag is actually enough to make more than one meal. So we also use this to have a southwestern salad the other day, but here we go. We have it right here. I chopped it up and I went ahead and put it in the microwave and warmed it up just a little bit. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this spices on here. So this is from a local friend back home, and it's just a Tex-Mex. Give a little extra seasoning, but you really don't even have to do that if you want. This chicken does have good taste already. You guys know normally I'd be farm to table kind, and I would be bringing my own chicken straight from the farmer, but we're trying to keep it simple and teach anybody that you can do this. Went ahead and I put those shells in my electric skillet. And what's going to help make this not as messy when you're driving and eating, or eating in the truck. Scott's driving right now. So go ahead and put down a layer of cheese. And I'm cooking this in the electric skillet. I did make a video on what I thought was the best electric skillet for the truck. Check out that video. If you like cooking in the cab, make sure you subscribe, because we have tons of videos to help you go even further and really cook a lot of things in the truck. All right, but the cheese is going to help hold everything together and so it doesn't fall apart when you're eating it. So there we go. We sprinkled that whole thing with cheese, and then we're just going to go ahead and dump this chicken just on half of it. All right, so this is, you can either do it just like this and add more cheese, or you can make it your own and add some more stuff. We're going to add more stuff we like to eat. So I'm going to put some salsa on there, not too much, because then it will just make a mess if you're trying to eat dry. I'm gonna put some sour cream and avocado in mine as well. All right, now I'm gonna show you the avocado trick. I cut the avocado in half, and then I sliced it in there, so it's sliced down, and then you take your spoon, you wedge it along the skin, and you go all the way around, and it's gonna pop your avocado out. Ta-da! I'm gonna lay that down in there. It's already sliced. So all right, now we're gonna do some more cheese. Fold it in half, let it seal shut, stay on here for maybe about a minute, get the wrap good and crispy, warm the cheese up, make sure everything's melted, keep unplugged. Oh, I bouncing around and unplugged it. It's melting even faster. Like, this thing should be sizzling. It don't have to be on, but it helps. Don't have to. So right there, in just 5 minutes, you can have a quick, easy, hot, healthy meal, and it's really easy to eat. So then I can just hand this little slice to Scott, and then he can eat it while he's driving. It's so much easier, and it's better than a sandwich and way better than fast food. So if you like this video and you felt it encouraging, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe so you can see other trucker kitchen videos and learn how to cook some more, and some other helpful tips, because we cover a lot of different things in our videos. All right guys, so stay safe, enjoy the adventures, and eat well. Bye.